Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Xcode on macOS for iOS app development step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your macOS is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store on your Mac. In the search bar, type Xcode. Locate Xcode in the search results. Click the Get button to download Xcode. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, the Get button will change to Install. Click the Install button to start the installation process. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID and password. After entering your credentials, the installation will continue. Once installation is complete, launch Xcode from the app. Agree to the terms and conditions when prompted. Xcode may take some time to set up the necessary components. Wait for Xcode to finish setting up. After setup, you will see the welcome screen. Select Create a new Xcode project. Choose a template for your app, such as App under iOS. Fill in your project details, including name, organization, and identifier. Choose Swift as the programming language. Select Next to create your project. You are now ready to start developing your iOS app in Xcode. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Xcode includes a code editor, interface builder, and debugging tools. Begin by designing your app's user interface in the storyboard. Utilize the documentation available within Xcode for guidance. To run your app, select a simulator from the toolbar. Click the Run button to test your app in the simulator. Monitor the console for any errors or logs during runtime. Continue developing and refining your app as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and launched Xcode on macOS for iOS app development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.